Are you tired of dealing with pesky scalp acne? Well, I have some exciting news for you. I have discovered the secret to clearing scalp acne naturally, and I can't wait to share it with you. No more expensive treatments or harsh chemicals. With these simple home remedies, you can say goodbye to scalp acne for good. The first home remedy I want to share with you is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a powerful natural antiseptic that can help kill the bacteria that causes acne. Simply mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or olive oil, and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it out. You can also add a few drops of tea tree oil to your shampoo for a daily treatment. With regular use, you will start to see a significant improvement in your scalp acne. Another effective home remedy for scalp acne is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness and inflammation associated with acne. Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water and apply it to your scalp using a cotton ball. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing it out. You can also use apple cider vinegar as a rinse after shampooing your hair. Not only will it help clear up your scalp acne, but it will also leave your hair shiny and healthy. One more home remedy that you should try is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has soothing and healing properties that can help reduce inflammation and redness caused by scalp acne. Simply apply a small amount of aloe vera gel directly to the affected areas of your scalp and leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing it out. You can also mix aloe vera gel with a few drops of tea tree oil for an extra boost of acne fighting power. With regular use, your scalp acne will be a thing of the past. I am so excited to share these home remedies with you, because I know firsthand how frustrating and embarrassing scalp acne can be. But now you have the secret to clearing scalp acne naturally right at your fingertips. No more expensive treatments or harsh chemicals needed. Give these home remedies a try today, and say goodbye to scalp acne for good. You deserve clear and healthy skin, so why wait any longer? Take action now and start enjoying the benefits of these amazing natural remedies. Your scalp will thank you. Do the tests and share with us your experiences. And if you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to this channel so you never miss an update.